My grandma said to me when she was young that there were not so many things as now. She had wanted the things which we can do right now. Life as she wanted, dress as she wanted, and go which she wanted with. But she was limited by a closed-minded society. Nowadays, we are going to tell you the funny and amusing things which young people enjoy in Germany.
On December and January is celebrated the Christmas on our town. Children write their letters to Santa Claus and Reyes Magos, which they ask for all their gifts and wishes that they want for the new year. On the night of January 5, cabalgata walk for all the streets of our town.
By the middle of the next month, February, is celebrated the funniest and most extravagant festival of the year. Both children and adults are disguised and they go on parade for all Carmona. In the parade, people dance, drink and sing the typical songs of this festival. When the parade finishes, awards are given for
Carmona
best
starts in May. It usually lasts about 5 days. The first day, people go out to have dinner with their families and friends to celebrate El Pescadito. El Pescadito is a dinner to inaugurate this party. Thursday, the fairgrounds are cheaper, and that's why we take advantage of it. Friday and Saturday, girls and women wear the typical costume, which is called traje de flamenca. During these 2 days, family and friends come together to eat and drink rebujito in the casetas.
Other days is dancing that is called Sevillana. For the feria, there is a horse ride with people who ride horse take a walk for all the casetas. Sunday is the last day of the feria, and people take the last walk. The feria finishes at midnight, but people stay until morning the other days to go to breakfast, churros with chocolate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you go to the fair?
Yes, we did.
And did you like it?
We really liked it.
Very
we went
much.
Yes.
2 days ago?
We went 2 days ago.
Yeah.
We like the horses
Yes.
and the costumes, the
Yes.
men's hats, the
traje de
bolero
flamenca.
jacket, we like that.
And the
Yes.
ladies' costumes,
Yes.
the dresses.
Yes.
And very much we like the flowers that they had on their head.
Yes. Yes.
Very beautiful colours, all very coordinated in colour.
Yes, it's cool. And did you go to the casetas?
Casetas.
Yes.
We did, where we had some fantastic food.
And
What
do you
did like?
dance?
yeah.
Did you dance and drink or?
No, we didn't dance, but we saw some other people dancing. The little children were very brave.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, you wouldn't have got that in England.
It was really nice. There was a
Yeah.
small child and she got on the stage and she was dancing. She was
Yes.
doing Sevillanas
Yes,
on
it's
the
very
stage.
typical. It's very
And then
Yeah.
her mum came on the stage and they were dancing together.
Yes, it's very typical.
Not for a show, just for fun.
Yeah.
And did you go to the Parque de Atracciones?
To the attractions.
The rides.
Yes.
The rides.
No,
We saw the ride.
because we went in the day and the rides weren't working during the day.
Okay.
But I went, a few years ago, I went to the rides in
Yes.
Carmona.
And did you like
I
it?
was very ill because I had eaten a lot of paella for my dinner, and then we went on the ride where you were there, and very, I didn't feel very well.
Delicious paella.
Yes.
It was delicious, but everybody else didn't like it at the same time. When we go round, round, round.
Well, that's
Thank you
all.
very much.
Thank you.
It was lovely
welcome.
to study.
You're welcome.
Well, in 2 years, well, not this summer, but next summer,
Yes.
we are running a course with the Curso de Verano, the
Yes.
summer course here in
Curso de
Holland,
Verano.
where we're doing dance and theatre and drama, and we're telling a story of all the different sins, the
Pecados capitales.
pecados
Siete
capitales.
pecados.
So we're thinking of going to different places, to different stages. So you can tell all your friends because
Yeah.
maybe in next year you can come on the course and learn and join the dance
The
company.
the next summer.
Next summer, not this now, but next
Yeah, the next-
2014.
Okay.
And we have because Penny is a dance teacher and was a dancer, and Amanda is a dancer, and I work in London at the drama school, and Jose was there. He's Spanish, but he's our main musician. And Tim is now helping us with. He's in York because we're doing the project in York, in Yorkshire, in the north of England. So it's between England and Spain.
Okay.
So you tell everybody and keep your eyes out. We'll send you some information.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
On September is celebrated the celebration of the Virgen of Carmona, that is called Novena, because it lasts 9 days. In the downtown, it celebrates children games such as the Cucaña, sack race, the mechanical bull. At night, there are concerts and dance shows to all the people. The most important day is the day of the Virgen de Gracia, who is the patrona of our town. People wear formal clothes and they go out to eat and to celebrate this beautiful day. Well, in conclusion, this is how our generation enjoys these festivals in Carmona.
You can come to Carmona and now this beautiful city. I hope you like it.